So we need to do this part.
Finally, yung tables para sa home office namin ay dumating na. Like that? Mas. Good morning!
Good morning, it's cold in Logroño. We're going to have breakfast.
I'm going to prepare a cereal breakfast with milk and fruits.
I'm going to get the measuring tape and measure that.
Yeah, because we have like kind of a table bar here. We don't have a chair, no? The long chair.
So we are going to buy some tall chairs, but I want to measure how tall is that.
Guys, look at our kitchen. Makalat pa siya. Meron pa dito sa baba, oh. Ayan. Andun. Marami pa kaming gagawin today, but before anything else, we need energy. That's why let's prepare breakfast. So yung breakfast namin is cereals. Nagkakat din ako ng some strawberries at apple with milk. Gamitin na natin ang ating pangmalakasang set ng kitchen knife. Uy, dapat kilin neng. Kakain ni. We hungry na ne. Kaluoy. Anna, you cannot be seen. Kiss papi, kiss papi. Kiss papi. Unlimited kisses. Anna, where are you? Mong lubot ang nakita diri ko sa kamera. Stretch. Oi.
So then she left, slammed doors and broken glasses. I went back to the minute when I said, hey, hey, I hate you. Fighting over stupid things, don't even mind whose fault it is. No, I said now we're both sick of this, so let's take a break, yeah. Every step I take, your
This is a blender and a grounder.
I scroll up and I scroll down, and then still I found text between you and me. I can't read it out. I wanna call you, but never mind. We broke up an hour ago. It feels like it's been ages. I checked out your Instagram stories, talking about her new friends, and I guess you moved on really fast.
So this is the chair, This is my official chair. It's a very ergonomic chair. And then that's the temporary desktop until the ones that we bought in IKEA they arrive. I think it's good enough. Go see what LL is doing. Hello.
Already washed those.
Already washed those.
Fran cooked creamy shrimp pasta for lunch. And it's ready. Thank you po.
I hope it's good.
Hola! Why are you here? Mag-lunch bud ka? Hola! Hola!
Another night, waiting for a call to see if I'm alright, but it won't come. I'm alone. Reaching for a friend who isn't there at all. I'm hurt again. Hide in the sleep, try to be me. I get so close to finding safety. Do I ask too much from those that I love and push them away? Maybe I just want a friend like.
Just put it. Liquid?
No! No!
Me, someone I won't have to try to read. And when everyone fades away, they're gonna stay and never let go, because they know who I am. Yeah, they'll be there for me. Oh, maybe I just want a friend like me. Like me. You're not a friend like you. And not a friend like you. Or something that you do just got in my head. I think too much. I think enough. Do you know? Do you care? Is anyone real out there who would take a shot from me? Oh.
This is the feet. Okay. Let's start with the chair. Okay, I'm going to bring a knife to open this. And it should have all the tools necessary, but I will bring the little tools that we have.
Today is Friday, May 10, 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Finally, yung tables para sa home office namin ay dumating na from IKEA. One from Fran at saka one for me. Plus, may isang office chair for me. Kasi si Fran meron na siya kanyang office chair. Ayun. Sumukan na gusto. Baho ka. Ano man mo?
No.
This is Mama's chair, Cole.
Which go by pressure. And it's important that you do it straight when you need. Just don't do it that straight. So now you have to work on this. Okay? Down. So
I remove the plastic.
okay, so this one goes like this. Okay, perfect. So now we need to find the correct ones. So we need keep that one. If you let it go down, I cannot fit it. It's put it like this. So you have to make sure that it's well aligned because I'm going to press it, okay? What direction?
Push, push, push.
Left? Okay, perfect.
My chair.
Let's see. Put it over there. So we need to do this part. So we need 2 of those and 1 of these. Okay, because
Two of.
so now let's close this. And then okay, and we need this. So this one here. That's what we need now.
Last words for them to last. Slammed doors and broken glasses. I went back to the main exam. I said, hey, 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 I hate you. I know the stupid things. Don't even mind his part it is. I said, now we're both sick of this. So let's take a break, yeah. Every step I take or a move I make reminds me of you. I scroll up and I scroll down and until I found a text between you and me. I can't read it down. I wanna throw you away, never mind 'cause we broke up, but now we go. It feels like it's been ages. I checked out your Instagram stories, bragging about her newest friend, and I guess you moved on really fast. It's okay, I got it. Maybe it's really over, and the funny lovers we once were died. Now although it's worth a try, I think it's worth a try. Every step I take or move I make.
Mama, que guapa. Sit, sit, sit. Ay, naku. That is so big. So big. Oh my god, it's so perfect. No need to adjust. That's yours. This is yours. I don't like this.
Why?
Yes, this is yours. Just yours.
They are both the same. So you can see.
Oh.
Mine is the same. The only difference with mine, is that you can elevate the table and work standing.
Finally, guys, I have my own office here at home.
We are going to build my table. It's very similar to Elizabeth, but mine can be regulated in height, so I can work standing like these cool tech people. They have standing desks. Okay? And the only thing is we have to turn it around. Perfect. Are you coming with us? What are we going to do?
Practice driving. Let's go.
Keep going. Okay, I think now you can put first. Tell us, wait a moment.
I'm nervous.
Tell us your feelings.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
So you didn't feel safe?
Yeah.
Koi koi! Are you ready for round 2? We are going to do some more loops and then later we will work in the garden, right?
Tara, Koy! Tara! Ta! Higot!
Koi koyotots, let's go driving! Okay, first gear, full clutch and brake still. Okay, and now a little bit to the left. No one's coming.
Allah, habilig sanjud ni.
Any Chloe?
Wala dira.
Put second. Keep going.